So, welcome. Today we're going to do a little collab on macro photography with Rob Trek. I don't know if you know him, but his name's Rob Trek. He's a real cool guy. I've been talking to him on YouTube. He does a lot of kind of macro photography, and he's an Olympus shooter for you Olympus shooters out there. Anyways, please be sure to go check out his channel. And I really like doing collabs with people. Like, I don't care if you're like 100 subscribers or you're just getting started. Basically just message me if you want to do a collab. I would love to do something with you. And anyways, we kind of been talking back and forth over YouTube for quite a while now. And basically, he does a lot of macro photography stuff, like flowers and all the like. And I do a lot of neon noir, right? But I did buy this little Chinese set of lenses, and one of the things that included was a little phone macro attachment. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take some macro pictures of some flowers, because he does flowers, and he's gonna shoot some like neon noir video. Actually, he already did the video, but anyways, be sure to check him out. As for me, I'm going to be checking out Rob's tutorials because he has like a lot of macro tutorial information. Like, I've never shot macro in my life, and I've never really shot flowers, but it should be good. All right, so probably the first thing you might be asking is why I'm wearing this mask, and that's because the air in Korea is really dirty most of the time. Actually, I wanted to do this video when the air was much cleaner, but I don't want to make Rob wait too much. Anyways, today we're shooting with my phone. So you can see it's got a little cheapo clip-on macro lens. We're gonna be shooting along my river near my house because there's plenty of flowers there. Before coming out to shoot, I watched some of Rob's videos because he's got like a whole bunch of tips on shooting macro, and I'm gonna try to apply some of them. And yeah, it's kind of a new territory for me. Like, I suck at portraits, and I've never even really attempted macro. And either way, it's lots of fun, and I'm enjoying it very much. Alright, so I think I found like the perfect spot. There's like a bunch of flowers in a flower bed behind me, and I can tell you already that I'm learning a lot already. You know, Rob uses flash a lot in his videos, and I try to use flash, but I guess I'm just a noob at that. You know, I'm not very good at flash, especially trying to control a flash on a smartphone, not the greatest idea ever. But anyways, I'm learning a lot about minimal focal distance and whatnot, since most of my street shots are from far away. I never really have a problem, but getting up close to take a shot of something, definitely a problem now. Anyways, I'm actually really enjoying this, and the first flowers we found, not that amazing, but now I found a more colorful bed, and I think I have some nice ideas of what I would like them to come out as. Once again, if you haven't checked out Rob's channel, please go ahead and check him out. Tell him I sent ya. And yeah, let's get back to shooting. When I shoot at night, it's often dark, and I don't use a tripod, you know, believe it or not. So I was thinking, since I'm shooting like in the daytime, that I wouldn't need a tripod for taking flowers. But actually, I noticed that you really should probably use a tripod for macro photography, especially like the flowers are so shaky with just a little bit of wind, and you're so close that every little detail moves. So kind of finding out the hard way, you know, even though it did talk about it in the video, but I don't have a tripod for my phone exactly, so probably should invest in one. But you know, I'm really enjoying this. Like, I'm learning to see the world kind of in a different way. You know, if I want to sound poetic and shit, I can definitely see the allure of macro photography. And one thing I learned right now is that just because it's macro photography doesn't mean I have to shoot so close. I can be a little bit far away, and that's fine. And yeah, I think these are some really pretty pictures. So definitely go check Rob out. I thank him for this little collab. And if anyone's watching, or you can collab with me anytime, let me know. You don't have to have 1,000 subscribers or 10,000. You can have 100. That's fine.